I'm gonna read you guys a story. Once upon a time, in a lovely garden, there were two pink flowers named Rosie and Daisy. These two flowers were the best of friends, always swaying in the breeze together. Rosie was a delicate pink rose. Her petals were soft and fragrant, like a gentle perfume. She believed in the beauty of simple acts of kindness and saw joy in the little things. Daisy, on the other hand, was a vibrant pink daisy. Her petals were bold and cheerful, reaching out to the sun with enthusiasm. She believed in the excitement of adventure and the fun of trying new things. Despite their differences, Rosie and Daisy were inseparable. They learned from each other. Rosie showed Daisy the beauty of small acts of kindness and how they could make a difference in someone's day. Daisy encouraged Rosie to try new things and enjoy the adventures that life had to offer. One sunny day, a little girl named Lily visited the garden. She had a heavy heart, full of worries. Lily saw Rosie and Daisy and noticed how they were different yet so friendly. She shared her troubles with them, seeking comfort. Rosie listened with a gentle ear and offered Lily kind words, reminding her that there were goodness in the world. Daisy, in her cheerful way, urged Lily to face her worries with courage, just as she faced each new day with a smile. Do you know what happened then? Lily left the garden feeling lighter and with newfound wisdom from Rosie and Daisy. Over time, she learned to appreciate both the quiet moments of kindness and the thrill of new adventures. And so, in that lovely garden, Rosie and Daisy continued to bloom side by side, teaching everyone that there is room in life for both the joy of simple act of kindness and the excitement of new adventure. When she came back home, she was so inspired by these two flowers that she painted them and saved this precious memory in her painting collection. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you soon, inshallah, in the next video. This is Maikra signing off. Fi amanillah. Bye bye.